Nernst equation and correlation with the free energy of the reaction with the suitable example. Prediction of spontaneity of a reaction based on the EMF of the cell. This is the syllabus point. Let us see what is the meaning of EMF, what is the meaning of spontaneity, etc. Then, EMF of a galvanic cell. The electromotive force EMF of a galvanic cell is defined as the difference of electrical potential which causes the flow of current from one electrode to another when virtually no current is drawn from the cell. The EMF of a galvanic cell will be positive when there is a tendency for the electrons to flow from the left to the right in the external circuit. The oxidation electrode is always placed at the left hand side, while the reduction electrode is always placed at the right hand side. Thus, the cell in which oxidation takes place on the left hand electrode and the reduction at the right hand electrode has positive value of EMF. These are the three conditions. Always remember the anode oxidation electrode which is to be left, and cathode reduction electrode which is to be kept at the right. In that case, if the current is drawn or the current is flowing or the electrons are flowing, always the EMF of the cell will be positive. These are the main important 3 points. Now, calculation of standard EMF. According to the IUPAC convention of EMF of a galvanic cell is given by the following equation. That is, the standard EMF of a cell is equal to standard electrode potential at the right minus standard electrode potential at the left, where E0 of the cell is equal to standard EMF of the cell. E0 or standard electrode potential at the right hand electrode, that is cathode. E0L means standard electrode potential of the left hand electrode, that is anode. An example is given. Zinc in zinc ions separated by a salt bridge, Cu2 plus ions in copper electrode in Cu2 plus ion. Both the concentrations are given, which is 1 molar and 1 molar. The standard electrode potential of zinc half cell is minus 0.76 volt, that is oxidation anode. Then standard reduction potential of the copper assembly, that is copper electrode assembly, is plus 0.34 volt, that is reduction, which is at the cathode. That is right, the other one is left. On calculating, you will get E0 of the cell is equal to 1.10 volt. Therefore, please try to find out the questions, that is, which is the cathode, which is the anode, and what is the reaction taking place, and what is the standard cell potential of this cell. Please do it as an assignment.